I'm going to start this video off by putting a plug in for Andrews McCarran. If you get a chance, check his channel out. I will put a link in the description below. I got this piece of eucalyptus from my brother's mother-in-law, Jenny. Just wanted to thank Jenny for getting the wood to me. Much appreciated. I have a good idea of what I want. I just need to make it happen. So far, everything seems to be working out just as planned. I have the shapes that I want. Once I'm done with this, I will pack it back in the sawdust for a week or so. To eliminate any confusion, this is the second vase. I've already noticed that it's warping, so more than likely I'm going to have problems with these. So I pulled the second vase out of the sawdust. It took me forever to center it on the chuck, but as you can see, it has major wobbles. I'm just not feeling this piece. shit, that piece was moving so fast, all I seen was a blur. Didn't even get a chance to react. This piece here has too many issues, has a shitload of cracks. I'm having to make shit up just to get this thing done. Just chipped a hole into the side. Yeah, it's just one of those pieces that never got finished.